Hey everybody, thanks for joining another episode of the Final Village Garage 1,000 subscriber special episode. We're only going to do this one time because, well, after that it's more than 1,000. But besides all that, we got a couple things I want to cover. Of course, our $400 giveaway for the Trans Am quiz. We're going to pull the lucky winner here sometime here in this episode. I have my little helpers come on out here and pull the name out of the hat, and we'll announce the winner. So I'll be giving away $400 of our cash to you for playing along and support, and appreciate you following us on our journey. So a little give back for you for helping us out and make this happen, because I'll tell you what, our goal was less than a year, basically 12 months when we started, to hit 1,000 subscribers. Well, it's just been barely over 10 months, so we did it. Now, maybe some people think that's maybe that impressive, but for me, that's absolutely 100% fantastic, because I had no idea it was going to even take off or was going to even happen. So I'd say for what we had to do here, what we had to work with, seeing how I've never even operated a camera prior to this, or even let alone even thought about standing in front of a camera and talking to people, I think we did all right. But nonetheless, we got some more things coming down the road. We got some plans, some big ideas, and hoping you like them and continue to grow, and appreciate what we're doing for you and supporting the restoration, Firebird, or just about anything in a two-car garage community is kind of the idea behind our channel originally. And of course, Indiana, it's about 32 degrees cold and it's raining, so we're gonna get a bunch of ice. So unfortunately, I was hoping to take one of these cars outside, have a lot of fun footage, and have a little more celebration, but not gonna go outside. But I'm in my t-shirt, and it's actually kind of cold right now. But these are the cool t-shirts I had made up with our logo, and then of course on the back is the "Gotta Save Them Birds" logo on the back of it. So I learned a little something about shipping t-shirts. They're expensive to ship, by the way. I kind of was guessing $3 to $5, but nope, more than that. So I still have some shirts left, but I have to refigure out the shipping thing at some point, but that's not what the reason the whole video here today. But nonetheless, get started here. I got a couple things I want to cover. First off, I'm going to shut that door to keep some heat. Okay, all right, door's shut. Don't warm up some, I hope, because it's actually kind of cold. Probably should put a jacket on. But besides all that, the other thing I wanted to share with you was really awesome. The date that we hit the 1,000 subscriber mark, it's one of those dates that you just can't forget. 2/22/22. I'm not really great at remembering dates, but I'm definitely not going to forget this one for the rest of my life, because heck, super easy to remember, and hit the 1,000 subscriber mark on that date. Pretty awesome situation and combination. What are the odds of that? I have no idea, but I think it's pretty awesome. So I want to share that with you. But the next thing I want to show you is on the old dry erase board up here. I always have in the background, but kind of cool things I want to show you. Well, first off, I want to start with this little fan mail. I had someone give this to me here, made in Wichita, Kansas, USA. What's that mean to all you people out there? Well, that's where I was actually made at and born. I was born in Wichita, Kansas, 1978. So I don't know much about the place, but someone thought that was kind of funny, so they hooked me up with a sticker. And I'm going to put it on my dry erase board, but you know, I just recognize that one. And this one here is our newest sticker. If you want one, yeah, let me know. We can hook you up with something somehow. So I'm going to put this on the board, but if you have a channel, you want a little shout out, or you've got, we'll call it Vinyl Village Garage Certified, you tinker in your garage, restore old cars, just about anything, let me know, or send me a sticker. I'll more than happily put it up here. If you got a cool little knickknack you want to send us, just the same, because that's where that came from too. Little Stickman Jeff, and you're going to be seeing more of him back on the channel again. I had some people asking about that, so you might see him pop up here and there every once in a while. But and the other thing is, all you people who are stickler attention to details, there's the answers, by the way. I wrote them on the dry erase board. I can't guarantee you which videos it pops up in, but it's in the background, by the way. So just in case you super sharp people, well, there was the answers all along. All right, next part here, what I'd like to cover is the new ideas for our channel. Don't worry, I'll be giving the money away soon enough. Just you calm down. I know I'm kind of dragging it out, but I want you to hear me out, because this is probably more important, or I think it's even more awesome than giving you $400. So what I'd like to do, you've all seen the show Garage Squad, or probably the majority you have, because I'm working in the garage building cars. It's kind of the same idea, but they, of course, they have a crew of people coming in and helping you with your project. So what better way to share the love or spread some more help with these old Firebirds? Like I said, our slogan is "Gotta Save Them Birds." Or how else can I do that more effectively besides just a couple of working on my garage? I want to help you with your project in your garage at your place. Let's say you've got some frame rails you need help putting those in. I might be your guy. Putting the roof panel on, well, we can do that. Building an engine, putting a clutch in, setting up a differential, convertible tops, soft top installation, the cylinders, rebuilding the pump. You know, pretty much anything is endless bumper to bumper on these old Firebirds. Now, I'm not to say that you guys can't, as an owner of the car, can't figure it out, but maybe you need a hand, or maybe you just need a little guidance because you're not sure. I would be more than happy to help you with that. Now, how does this going to work? Well, I haven't worked out all the details yet, But with that, the idea is at this point, maybe I'll start collecting a lot of names and information, and we'll be able to pick somehow, some way. With you the understanding of, obviously, I'm going to bring the camera along, do some footage that way we can keep sharing the knowledge and experience, and of course keep the momentum of keeping these old cars on the road is kind of the goal. But what kind of started this, and he's going to be the first one that I actually helped, Brian Benson, Porsche and Pontiac. He out there in Arizona, I'll link up here to his channel, has a 1967 Firebird that he inherited from his brother, basically. He needs some help. The roof panel is 100% dead on this car. It was a vinyl top car, rotted out, junk, gone, bad, horrible. Sail panels, the panel between the trunk deck and the back glass, just equally is gone. This guy is a fantastic guy when it comes to Porsche. I think he's fully capable of doing the Firebird. But he's never done a roof panel, so it's something kind of, he's maybe a little hand, so I offer my services, and he says, heck yeah, that'd be a whole lot of fun, because he's got a place to do it, got a welder, got the tools, ordered the roof panel. I mean, we're all looking pretty good. He has a couple of cold snacks. Plus, not to mention, here in Indiana, like I showed you, it's not warm, it's very cold and icy, and I'd like to have me a little warm vacation. So as soon as he gets his hands on those panels, and they make it to his house undamaged from shipping, we're going to put this together. I'm going to fly out and go see him and help him out with his project. So that's something you're going to be seeing. So that's kind of the idea with starting this. So you like what you see with that? Need a little help? Well, we'll see if we can't figure this thing out. But that's something else you're going to be starting seeing here on the channel. Hope to do that maybe 2, 3, 4 times a year, depending on location, time. A lot of things are going to vary, but I'd like to do it at least a couple, 2, 3 more times, and it might be your car. So next thing here, I want to give away this money, because you know what? I'd like for this to be done and get that award out there, because it's been really awesome to make it to 1,000 subscribers. Didn't think it was going to happen. Had no clue this is going to take off, and actually pretty exciting. And I wanted to share that excitement. Let's get that money away. We'll grab my little helpers, and we'll get this drawing taken care of. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, everybody. All right, got my crew. We're not going to do it in the garage because it's just a little too cold. It's getting dark out. But this is Jay. This is Ed. You guys have probably met them before, but they're going to help us with a little drawing. We got a hat. We got all the names right here in a little bag here. So we got a handful of them all kind of cut, ready to go. But one of them's going to draw, and the other one's going to read the name. But who's going to draw?
Me.
You're going to draw?
I want to.
All right, how about we do
Why
that?
do you raise your hand?
Paper, rock, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Whatever it is. Okay. All right, you ready?
Yes.
All right, you guys. Whoever gets this one gets to draw it, and the other one reads it. Okay?
All right.
Ready?
Paper. Scissors.
Ah, okay. Well, I guess that gets the 10. Check us out. That's our very first episode. Remember that, Jay? Pulling the end out. Camera work is absolutely not that great, but we got to figure
We
it out.
just started.
I know. Look, there's the black car right here. And there's the Outback smoke. Man, stop doing that. Let's get this dumped in here. All right. You hold. She draws. Don't look. Pick one. Hand it to Jay, and she's going to read it. What's it say? Say it real loud.
Fretzman 68.
Fretman 68. All right on. Actually, that's fantastic. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that is our winner of our $400 giveaway. So I'm going to get that out to you as soon as we can. Hey everybody, there we go. We got the winner here, Fretzman 68, just in case you wanted to see that. But nonetheless, we got just a handful of people actually won. I was predicting maybe 50. We didn't quite get that many. I actually got them all right, so maybe I made that quiz a little too hard. But what's the fun in a quiz that's way too easy? Making you earn it, have a little fun. Well, I made you earn $400, but appreciate you playing along and having some fun. I'll probably do some other kind of giveaways or some things maybe in the future. But the next big thing we got coming up here's Indianapolis is the World of Wheels. So if you get a chance or you're out and about here in the Indiana area, I will be there. If you find me there, that'd be pretty awesome. But if not, I'm going to say I got some more things in the works. Next video coming out. Of course, pretty exciting to hit the old 1,000 subscriber mark and make that thing happen. So I've said enough. Appreciate you following me. Congratulations, Fretzman 68. And we'll see you all next time.